Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Hey. Hope everyone is doing well on today. I'm just dropping by to let you know that TTEC is having a virtual hiring event on Wednesday, May 25th between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. or 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to attend, you may RSVP at this link that is shown on the screen right here. Please keep in mind, I will post this link in the description box below, okay? So make sure you go ahead and RSVP at this web address. Okay, so TTEC is now hiring licensed healthcare insurance agents and offering the opportunity to help you get licensed through their College of Insurance at no cost to you. TTEC is paying you to train, study, and take your state exam. Okay. We even pay for all of your licensing fees and continuing education credits. After completing the College of Insurance program, these new skills will afford you the opportunity to work as a licensed healthcare insurance agent at TTEC from the comfort of your own home. We will partner with you throughout the licensing process. The training is for this role and it is completely virtual. Okay. So it's time to take your career to the next level. And if you feel like that is for you, please go ahead and apply today at this link here. And again, I will put this link in the description box below. Okay. But I did want to go ahead and get this out because this is taking place on Wednesday, May the 25th. Again, between 12 to 1 p.m. or you could choose 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. Just one session only. All right. And RSVP as soon as possible before this lead snatch away from you. All right. For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit start test. Then you just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close. And it'll analyze your results. And see how you got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you could go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works. And this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.